In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load your web presentation canvas layout inside the Wix editor using Chrome and add an HTML embed element. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix project. Once you're inside the Wix editor, make sure the correct page or presentation canvas layout is loaded and visible on your screen. This is important because you want to place the embed element in the exact section where your web presentation will appear. Before moving forward, take a quick moment to confirm that dev mode is turned on. If dev mode is enabled, you'll be able to work with the features needed for this kind of setup more smoothly. It's always a good idea to verify this early so you don't run into confusion later. With your canvas layout open and dev mode confirmed, move your attention to the left side of the Wix editor. This is where the main workspace sidebar is located. In that sidebar, look for the option labeled Add Elements. This is the tool you'll use whenever you want to insert new content blocks, design features, or embedded items into your page. Click the Add Elements button to open the available options. After the Elements panel appears, scroll through the menu until you find the section called Embed Code. Depending on your screen size or editor layout, you may need to move down the list a little to locate it. Take your time here, because Wix organizes many element types in this panel, and it's easy to skip past the one you need. Once you've found Embed Code, click to open that section. You should then see the available embed options. From there, select Embed HTML. This is the option that allows you to place custom HTML content directly onto your canvas layout, which is especially useful when you need to display external web content, interactive presentations, or custom widgets inside your Wix page. After selecting Embed HTML, the element will be added to your layout, and from there you can position it where it makes the most sense within your presentation canvas. For best results, make sure you place it in a clear, visible area and keep enough space around it so the embedded content displays properly. That's it for this part of the process. You've opened your layout in the Wix editor through Chrome, confirmed dev mode is active, accessed the Add Elements panel, and inserted an HTML embed from the Embed Code section.